Alright, what's up mga kanoypi? Here's your boy Forex Noypi, and for today's video, ang lupit nito. So this is actually the end of the third week kung saan tayo nagsimula ng funding challenge natin to prove a point na people, traders, especially the new beginning traders, new na nga, beginning pa, no, needs to test their approach in the markets. Back test, forward test, and then measure the results. Ilan ang win rate mo, ilan ang risk to reward ratio mo on the average, ano ang maximum losing streak mo, ano ang drawdown percentage mo. We need those data to be able to be confident pag nag-live ka na sa isang account mo in trading, okay? So for today's video, tingnan natin ang update na yon. Pero bago ang lahat, intro muna tayo. Alright, what's up mga kanoypi? Here's your boy Forex Noypi. Welcome back to my channel. Kung bago ka lang sa channel na to at medyo mag-e-enjoy ka naman or nag-e-enjoy ka, pakisuyo na lang. Baka naman pwedeng pa-subscribe. At mag-comment ka na rin down below for any questions you may have about trading, fundamentals, or anything in the same nature. And I will help you get you profitable into your trading career. Alright? So, simulan natin. Tulad ng sabi ko kanina, titingnan natin kung ano na ang update sa funding challenge ko. Okay, pero yon, buksan natin. Let's open it up. Ngayon, in the last 3 weeks, for context purposes, no, ang backtesting ang backtesting approach ko or testing approach ko for this matter was documented and journaled for the last 3 months. Okay? So, now that we've opened it, let's see. Kita nyo naman, this is a live account. Let's go to the history and then tingnan natin siya week on week. So, yung all history muna natin, makikita nyo, may realized P&L here is $1,400 or 1,434.41. At papaano nga ba ito nag-compound ng ganito? So, tingnan natin. Unahin natin yung date kung kailan ako nagsimula. Nagsimula ako ay October 21. Sa kalendaryo natin, that was a Monday. So, pumunta tayo sa October 31, 2024 hanggang sa isang linggo, which is October 25. Okay? October 25. Alright. So, ito, nakikita natin ngayon mga kanoypi. $655.14 ang na kinita natin doon specific to this account for 1 week. Right? Makikita nyo naman yung net profits ko dito. May talo, di ba? But understand na risk to reward ratio is so important in trading. Right? Risk to reward ratio, you lose small but you win big. So makikita nyo yan. I have $100 and $200. Itong 16.45, 47.9, these are me adjusting and trailing my stops when the market has blown up. Okay? But you will see that I don't lose 1% of $10,000 kasi that's my goal, that's what I treat as my drawdown percentage. So let's move forward. So after nun, second week is October 28 until November 1. Alright. So dito makikita nyo negative ako for this week, $42.48 negative. And I have losses also, but you'll see 1% of 10,000, 1%, less than 1%. But if I win 2%. 1.5%, almost 2%. So again, like I said, lose small but win big. Okay? So, tingnan natin ngayon yung nangyari ngayong linggo. So, today's week started November 4 until November 8. This week, kumita ako ng $821.75. And you see, I've never broken my rules. These were my trades. I win big. These are, again, break-even trades. Eto nga, nagkamali pa ako eh. Akala ko UK. GU pala yung na-trade ko. And then I lose small, right? You win big. It's about your risk to reward ratio. And again, ginagawa ko to dahil na-testing ko na yung approach ko sa market. And by doing this consistently, my aim is to pass this challenge and then just continuously work on it. And imagine if I've passed the challenge, right? If I've passed the challenge and I have $100,000 account, and this is what my PNL is in 1 week. Imagine, I mean, in 3 weeks, 1,400. I can cash out 1,400 every month. Hindi na masama, 'di ba? Hindi na masama. That's more than great. So, again, nangyayari to, going back to my point, is because I back tested and I forward tested. I measured my approach in the market. So, ngayon, I'm closing off week 3. Tingnan natin kung anong mangyayari week 4. Kung gusto nyong antabayanan, and for me to be able to prove my point and prove it to you live on this channel, follow, subscribe, go to my socials also. It's down below on the description, and ask me any questions, comment down below, and of course, it will help if you can subscribe and share this video to others na pwedeng makatulong sa trading community natin. I will also put my Discord link on the description kung gusto nyong join sa Discord. I am also a fundamental trader on my personal account. I use Switch Markets as my broker, and that's what I use to trade and I share in my Discord community. So, ayun lang naman. If you guys are interested, the links are down below in the description, and I will see you on my next video.